going to teach you how to play Wagon Wheel, that popular song by Old Crow Medicine Show, where this is like a great song for parties, campfires, you name it. And if you've ever sat idly by thinking this is a guitar song, forget it. Today it's a piano song. I'm going to show you how to play several different authentic accompaniment strategies. I'm going to teach you the chords. They are crazy easy. And I'm even going to show you how to play an improvised solo. So if you've been wanting to do some jamming with pals, this is the perfect song to do it. And I hope you'll stick around. I'm Brenda Earl Stokes. I'm the owner and creator of Piano and Voice with Brenda. Here on my YouTube channel, I share all kinds of incredible resources, creative, they're practical, and they help you to become a more versatile musician. So before we get into the song, I want to offer you the free downloadable lyrics and chords sheet. What a lot of people do is they will get this for free. It goes right into your email inbox using this link here. So pianoandvoicewithbrenda.com/wagon wheel. And you'll notice that the two words are separated by a dash, and I'll have that linked below. What you can do is take this and print it out or put it on your tablet, and then you can make notes as we go along. It's a great resource. So without further ado, we're going to hop right into studio mode. This song, like many songs that are intended for guitar, is in the key of A. And A major has 3 sharps, F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp. And what I always recommend that people do is play the scale a little bit, just so you can kind of get yourself comfortable in the key. And so we're just going to futz around with that for a hot second. Now I'm going to take you into the chords. There are 4 chords, my friends, 4. That's it. You're going to go A major, and I'm doing this one in root position. Then it's E, which I'm doing in first inversion, which means that I'm playing the 3, 5, and 1. Then I'm going to do F sharp minor, also in first inversion. So this is root position, but we're going to do it where it's 3, 5, and 7. And then we're going to move this middle note up to D for second inversion. So we're going to go A major, then E in first inversion, F sharp minor first inversion, then D second inversion. And then the second time we only go A and then E in first inversion, and then we do 2 bars of the D chord. So that's all we got going on here. So rock me mama like a wagon wheel, rock me mama any way you feel. Hey, mama, rock me. And my left hand is going to play the root of each chord. Rock me mama like the wind and the rain, rock me mama like a southbound train. Hey, mama, rock me. Right? So what you can do to get started with that handy lyrics and chords chart I just sent you is you can just sing and play through it a little bit. So I'm just going to sing a tiny bit of it just so you can kind of get comfortable with this whole idea before we get into accompaniment strategies and all this. So 1, 2, ready, go. Headed down south to the land of the pines. I'm thumbing my way into North Carolina. Staring up the road and pray to God I see headlights. D 2 times. I made it down the coast in 17 hours, picking me a bouquet of dogwood flowers. I'm hoping for a rally I can see my baby tonight, right? Then the chorus, it's the same chords. So rock me mama like a wagon wheel, rock me, mama, any way you feel. Hey, mama, rock me. And that's it. Okay. So we're going to go into accompaniment strategies now. The first accompaniment strategy is what I like to call the pa. And what that means is pa, pa, pa. So I'm going to play the bass and then the chord. So I'm going to go heading downtown to the land of the pines. I'm thumbing my way into North Carolina. So I'm going the root chord, root chord, root chord, just like that, right? And so it's pretty easy to get into. A rock me mama like a wagon rock me, mama, any way you feel. So I'm just going back and forth. The next level of this is that the left hand is going to go root to the chord, fifth chord. So you're going to go root, fifth, then the root and the fifth. So you're going to just practice playing the root and the fifth in the left hand. And remember, the fifth is just the top note of the triad. So you already know what it is. It's not some random note. Root, fifth, root, fifth, root, fifth, any way you feel. Hey, mama, rock me. And remember, we're going to put our paw in now. Root, and wheel, rock me, mama, any way you feel. Hey, mama, rock me. You see how good that sounds? Rock me, mama, like the wind and the rain. And all of a sudden, it's going to start to have that kind of hootenanny feeling. This is the thing that we can do as pianists, because we can't go chunk, a chunk, a chunk. We don't have that available to us. So this is what our alternative is. Now, if you want to mimic the banjo, because if you're listening to the old Crow Medicine Show version of it, there is banjo in it. And so well, what do? Check this out. I'm going to play just the root and the fifth in my left hand, and my right hand is going to play a banjo shape. And I will show this to you in a second, I promise. So what am I doing? I'm going 1, 3, 5, 3. Those are the note chords, the root, the third, the fifth, the third. And then I'm going up, and then the 5 and the 3. And you'll notice that I'm using only 1, 2, 3 finger and 5. And so I'm going do, 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 do. And I'm playing the root and the fifth in the left hand. And I'm doing that same pattern. Doesn't that sound great? And the eighth notes are swung a little bit, so they're not going do, 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 do. It shouldn't sound like the music box dancer, but. And it might take you a minute to get your fingers organized with this. So it goes, rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Rock me, mama, any day you feel. Hey, mama, rock me. And maybe your hand gets tired and you just do that part of it, but that's another way you could play it. The third way that I'm going to show you is that you could do it a little bit more funky. So you could go. See how I'm doing that? And I'll show it to you up here. So rock me, mama, like a wind and the rain. Rock me, mama, like a southbound train. So this one sounds a little kind of funky too. And if you had a friend that also played piano, well, you could play this and they could be up here going, right? You could actually sit, you could have like 3 people, depending on how big your bench is, and everyone could be playing and they all work together great. So you see how we put that all together? What you could do is practice each one individually and then, mix and match as the song goes on. So every kind of in between the chorus and the next verse, for many sections here, there's like an instrumental section, and this is the jam. And, a lot of times people are like, well, no fun for me. I'm just the piano player. No way. Don't ever say that. So what your left hand is going to do is you're going to play your own pa in the left hand. You're going to go pa. So you're going to play the bass and then the other 2 notes. Right? That's what you're going to do. And so I'm pawing, pa, pa. I'm doing like a slow pa in my left hand. And my right hand is going to play the A pentatonic scale. 1, 2, 3, 5, and 6. But here's my secret trick. If you've been around here for a bit, this is my whole thing. 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. If you think about it in this order, it's more likely to sound like you're like doing wind chimes or something. For some reason, if you go 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, it just, people's brains go into a better sort of melodic space. So what you're going to do is you're going to practice playing the scale like I have it written up here. So you're just going to practice playing the scale up and down like that. And then the D chord is twice. So you're just going to practice this so your finger can get used to this. And then when you're ready, you can improvise. So I'm just using those. See, that's all I'm doing. I'm using the notes of the pentatonic scale and I'm going oompa on the left hand. I tell you, when I tell you this sounds amazing, it really truly does. So we're going to take a minute and we're going to run the entire song from the beginning. And whether you do the Old Crow Medicine Show or, Darius Rucker, I guess I always thought of him as Hootie from Hootie and the Blowfish. He does a version of this, which is great too. And they're both in the same key, the key of A. So whichever you like, the old one, you like the new one, it's all good. So let's give this guy a whirl here. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Heading down south to the land of the pines. I'm thumbing my way into North Carolina, staring up the road and I pray to God I see headlights. I made it down the coast in 17 hours, picking me a bouquet of dogwood flowers, and I'm hoping for a rally I can see my baby tonight. So rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Rock me, mama, any way you feel. Hey, mama, rock me. Oh, rock me, mama, like the wind and the rain. Rock me, mama, like the southbound train. Hey, mama, rock me. Here's a solo. Running from the cold up in New England, I was born to be a fiddler in an old-time string band. Baby plays the guitar, I pick a banjo now. Old North Country winters keep getting me down. Lost my money playing poker, so I had to leave town. But I ain't turned back to living that old life no more. So rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Rock me, mama, any way you feel. Oh, hey, mama, rock me. Rock me, mama, like the wind and the rain. Rock me, mama, like a southbound train. Hey, mama, rock me. A solo. Walking to the south, out of Roanoke, I caught a trucker out of Philly, had a nice long tote, but he's heading west from the Cumberland land to Johnson City, Tennessee. I gotta get a move on before the sun hear my baby calling my name. I know she's the only one. If I die in rally, at least I will die free. So rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Rock me, mama, any way you feel. Hey, mama, rock me. Oh, rock me, mama, like the rain and the rain. Rock me, mama, like a southbound train. Hey, mama, rock me. I'm going to sing a harmony now. Rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Ooh, any way you feel. Hey, 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 mama, rock me. Rock me, mama, like the wind and the rain. Rock me, mama, like the southbound train. Hey, 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 mama, rock me. Solo time. Isn't that fabulous? So, I mean, I have seen this song go on for like half an hour. I think that's too much. I'm like, just change the key, do something. But you could really hang out and jam. I've really given you kind of everything that's available to play on this one. I think you're going to absolutely love it. And again, if you need to change key or whatever, it's all the same material. You can just transpose it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If it was, leave me a huge thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think. Are there any other jam songs that you want me to kind of unlock for you? Because again, the guitar players are always sitting chunking around, and then we're sitting there going, what are we supposed to do? So make sure you leave me a comment below of what your favorite sing-along songs are. If you want to know more about me, you can check out my website, pianoandvoicewithbrenda.com. There you'll find a ton of resources, and you'll find out how you can work with me. I teach one-on-one lessons on Google Meet. I have lots of my YouTube subscribers drop in from time to time to work on some specific things. And I also have an incredible membership called the Versatile Musician, where it's pretty much every course that you would ever need to do: chords, theory, accompaniment strategies, improvising, jazz, rock, blues, like singing, ear training, you name it, it's all there. So you could get an incredible high level musical education that's custom tuned to your needs for just, you know, a pretty reasonable amount every month. It's pretty cheap considering how much there is. So if you want to know more about that, you can go to theversatilemusician.com. And of course, you'll get $30 off your first month if you use coupon code GETSTARTED30. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.